America is in the Heart is a semi-autobiographical novel by Filipino-American writer Carlos Bulusan, published in 1946. It narrates his experiences as a migrant worker in the United States, depicting the struggles of Filipino immigrants facing racism, poverty, and exploitation while striving for a better life. Central figure: a determined Filipino man symbolized Bulusan. And the journey motivation. A road leading from rural fields to a city skyline represents migration and the struggle. And the colors, earthy tones for hardship, red, white, and blue for the American dream. And the typography is bold, distress, fonts reflect resilience and history. This design captures Bulusan's fight for dignity and hope in America. The hand raised in protest and another in a stop gesture indicate resistance and the fight for justice. The cover art features of a young man, possibly representing Bulusan, raising his fist in determination with an open book symbolizing knowledgement and enlightenment. And the plug and city skyline in the background suggests themes of immigration, the American dream, and urban struggle. And the author of this book is Carlos Bulusan, a Filipino-American writer and a labor activist who documented the harsh realities of immigrant life in the America.